No stress chess. How to play. Playing this game will teach you how to play chess. The object of the game is to capture your opponent's king. Lay out the beginner side of the board and place the pieces on their matching spaces. Shuffle the deck of cards and place them face down in the center compartment of the tray, forming a draw deck. The player with the white pieces goes first, then turns alternate. On your first 2 turns, you must follow the arrows on the board and move the pawns. After that, on each turn, you must flip over the top card of the draw deck to your discard pile, then move a piece as indicated by the card. Each card tells you how the piece moves. Move the piece to a desired legal space. You may not move through pieces, and a piece captures the first enemy piece it runs into. Captured pieces are removed from the board and may no longer be used. You may not share a space with a friendly piece. You must move if you can, and if you draw a card to a piece you are unable to move, then you lose your turn. When the deck runs out of cards, shuffle the discard piles into a new deck. If you draw a Move Same Type of Piece Again card, you may choose to move a piece from the top of either player's discard pile. There is no check or checkmate. You may not castle, and en passant is not allowed. When a pawn reaches the farthest row, it is promoted to any piece except a king. After you have mastered this method of play, the next step is for each player to play with 3 cards in their hand, and each turn you draw 1 card, then pick 1 card from your hand to play. If you play a card with no legal move, then you lose your turn. After you master this, you may play with 5 cards in your hand. If your hand contains 3 or more of the same card, or 3 or more cards that have no legal move, then, instead of playing, you may discard your entire hand and draw a new one. The first player to capture their opponent's king wins. Once you have mastered this way of playing, you can flip the board over to play regular chess. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video.